All right, welcome back. We couldn't wake up this morning and this early and not bring some breakfast to the table. So Chef Jahnell Nelson is here from Mr. Breakfast with a belly full of new offerings just for you. Welcome, sir. How you doing?
I'm doing good.
Now, listen, we've had you here on the show before, so we want to catch up with you. How has things been since you opened your doors?
So Mr. Breakfast has grown quite a bit from then until now. Mm-hmm. We've made a lot of improvements to ensure our customers get faster food. Everything is more efficient and a lot more organized. So
you've made some operational advancements, right?
Yes.
Does the menu look any different than when you just started though?
Yes, it looks a lot different.
How
so there's the pancake stock that we do. Mm-hmm. Or cheesecake, shortcake, pancake stock. You can have it with fruits, vegetables, fruits, whipped cream, compotes, syrups, whatever your heart desire.
Nice. And is breakfast still a big thing for us here in Jamaica?
Yes, it is.
Yeah?
Yes, it is. I believe most Jamaican people, or I'd say corporate Jamaica, majority of our customers would be corporate Jamaica. Mm-hmm. And we'll have quite a bit of people who comes out every morning to order their breakfast and ensure that, hey, once it's breakfast, it's our primary meal for the day, so we need to start off right.
Yeah. What's the best seller on the breakfast menu?
Surprisingly, even though we sell majority continental, our best seller is the ackee and saltfish.
Then must, sir, where you think you're there? Hello? Where you think you be? But I'm sure people love the omelette as well, right?
Yes.
And you're going to be showing us one as well. So, you can walk us through what you're going to be doing, and let's get started.
I'll be making one of our golden fold omelette for you. So it's a French fold omelette filled with whatever fillings you like. So can be Italian sausage, bacon, chicken ham, chicken breast, spinach. Today I'll be making a spinach version for you guys. Mm-hmm. So just to show you some of our different variations.
And when he said for you guys, it means for me who don't eat meat. So he's just making sure it's all plant-based, which is what you do as well, right? So for persons who may have limitations or specifications with the things that they eat, you can curate something for them.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, awesome. I want to ask you though about the item on the menu that would surprise people the most. What item you think that would be?
The item that would surprise people the most?
That you actually have it there selling.
I believe that item would be, give me a second.
That's fine. The chef needs to focus, guys. Listen, expertise takes a lot of focus. What are you doing? Talk us through it then. So
I'm making the omelette here. So one of the steps in making the omelette is just push the loose egg to the center of the pot.
Okay. So at the center of the pot versus at the end of it, like at the edges?
You would push the egg to the center of the pot and then fill it with the liquid egg.
Oh.
So that way it's filled right throughout.
That's how you do it. Generally, see, you just open my eye door to this omelette making thing, because I just thought that from the egg is in the pot is fine. I never know if I move it up and down and all of these things as well.
No, not necessarily.
And do you have to wait until it looks a particular way before you add the additional things, so the cheese and all the other stuff?
Yes, so dependent on how you like your egg. So some people like eggs runny, some don't. So I'd recommend you wait a few seconds to get it to a certain doneness. Then you'd go in with your cheese.
Yeah. The traditional Jamaicans like when things are well done, so.
Yes, they do.
Yeah.
And a bit of spinach, just in there, nice and neat. Mm-hmm. Then we'll go in and
So how do I know when it's done? What am I looking for in terms of the color and consistency?
So what you're looking for is for it to be, so it's not runny as our Jamaicans like it. So the egg is fully coagulated.
I look for browning at all on it?
Yes, you do.
Okay.
So that is a Jamaican thing. We've had customers who say, oh, this is not done because it doesn't have the browning on it.
Really? For the persons who don't have the limitations that I am, now subscribed to, and they want a loaded omelette, what are the other things that you think, I would need to add into this? And then, do I need to cook those things first? Like the meat options, I have to cook everything before?
Yeah, most times you do. So for example, your bacon, we'd recommend that you just render the bacon a bit and So render the bacon a bit. For your chicken, saute that up a little bit, cut it in small pieces, saute it up. And the beauty about an omelette is it can be done 101 different ways,
well,
just like chicken.
Me. This one is absolutely gorgeous. We have to do a zoom on this one. Look how beautifully plated this is. My gosh. I don't want to say put a salt and pepper on there, so man,
no, the egg was seasoned.
Still. Oh, the egg was seasoned.
Yes,
Got that. Okay. Well, you're a chef. You know what to do. I love that. So I have to ask you, because when I came inside here and I saw this waffle with this very high color, I said, but this don't sell a shop though. I mean, no, Jahnell do something with this. What did you do with the waffle to give it this beautiful color? So
what we did was we added a bit red color into it. And that's the beauty about pancake mix over our waffles. So you can be versatile with it. You can add
yeah.
So you can add stuff to them to make it your own. For example, you could add a bit of chocolate chip in there. You can add some fresh fruits in there, just to make it fit your personal desires. Nice, I like that. And then on this tray plate, big plate, you have the Jamaican favorite. Ackee and saltfish. The ackee and saltfish, yes. Okay. Your ackee and saltfish comes without all the bones and that kind of thing, right? Yes,
you make sure you take out all of those stuff.
Yes.
Okay.
We'll try our best.
Try our best. I love that. All right, tell us about this one. So this is our protein waffles for our gym persons again. So it's a protein waffles. It has 7 grams of protein, and you can make it you can adjust it to fit your needs as well. So you can have it with your fruits in the morning. You can have it with your bacon, your scrambled eggs, your toast, whatever you decide. And do you pour things on this one, especially for the gym people? You pour things on this to add it, extra taste or something like that? No syrups or anything like that? You can add your syrup, but we don't. Everything is from the Mr. Breakfast pack, so you just add water and that's you. We'll soon talk about the Mr. Breakfast pack. Tell me about this one as well. This is our shortcake pancake stack with fresh fruits. Again, there's strawberries, there's grapes, there's our house cheesecake mix. We just pipe that on there with our, with our pancakes as well. Yeah. And so you can add whatever compote you have in the fridge. So if you have a berry compote, if you have the maple syrup, whipped creams, chocolate chip, you just add it to it and that's you. Nice. All right, let's talk about the star of the show, the Mr. Breakfast Cake, complete pancake and waffle mix. How long has this been on the market? It's been on the market for about 2 years now, if I'm not mistaken, and it's in a lot of the supermarkets here in Kingston. So it's in CPJ, General Foods, S Foods, you can get it there as well. So we're out and about, just not as how we want it. On the packaging, you say boldly, say goodbye to boring. What makes you say that with your chest? Because you have to stand by it, Tell me what's inside this that's going to set your mix apart from all the other options out there. So why our mix is the best on the market is, for one, it's just add water. And 2, you get your proteins in it as well. So it's not just straight carbs or straight this, but you get your proteins, just add water. And you literally don't have to do much to get it. So you don't have to mix it a certain way or wait or do anything to get it to be what you desire, what we're advertised to people. I love that. Congratulations, man. The best thing to do is to actually turn your stuff into a product. So that's a good thing. I love that for you. What's going to be next for Mr. Breakfast? So what's next for Mr. Breakfast is we're looking for our new home in Portmore. So we're searching for that. And we're going to So we'll have a campaign coming out probably this weekend or next weekend, which is our faster food campaign. And that is just to bring more awareness to the brand and to see people. One of the complaints that we've had over the time is they wait too long. So the faster food campaign is to show you that you have fast food and Mr. Breakfast provides faster food. So if you order your food and you don't get it within a certain time, I believe it's 2 minutes or 3 minutes, then it's free. What you say? Hold up. What you say? So the faster food campaign is So if I don't get my food within a particular time, are you suggesting 2 minutes? 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Or 3 minutes? Yes, it would be free. Free of cost? Free of cost. Wow, that's a big step though. It's a big step, and we're dedicated to honoring that, and I believe we've reached the point where we can honor that. Okay, well, I mean, you are the boss of the business, so you know what you can do, right? Well, congratulations on all of it, man. Really, really good stuff. where can people find you?
So we're at 17 Holborn Road in New Kingston. It's right across from Auto Channel. And you can go to our website at Mr. Breakfast JA. You can place your orders there for pickup or delivery. And there's payment options as well.
Okay, love that. You're open what time to what time?
So we're open from 6 in the morning, 6 a.m. to 2 in the afternoons.
And I can get breakfast at 12 noon?
Yes, you can.
Mercy me. All right. Hey, kudos to you, man. Congrats on the business. All right. Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
Really appreciate it. That was Chef Jahnell Nelson. That's Mr. Breakfast for you. We're cooking up more to smile about. So stay with us until we come back. All right. Soon come. Love this. This is good stuff, man.